Oh, look at that.
Until Clear Farms comes with a truck to pick it up.
milk.
Milk is the only food product you can buy.
My name is Nathan.
And I'm Allie, Nathan's daughter, and we will be your guides today.
My brother Andrew and I are the 5th generation to dairy farm at this location.
My brother Briar, my cousins Kennedy and Carson, and I are the 6th generation.
Our family has been dairy farming here for 125 years. We work closely every day as a family with our mother Cindy, Uncle Stan, Grandpa Melvin, my wife Sarah, and Andrew's wife Bree. We are very proud to truly be the family farm, where most days there are 4 generations working and playing here at the same time.
Thank you for joining us on this unique opportunity to witness and experience what exactly it takes to produce a gallon of nature's most perfect food, milk.
Take in all of the sights and sounds of this resort style barn that our adult milking cows call home. This barn is called a freestyle barn because the cows are free to eat, drink, get milk, or lie down as they please. Speaking of lying down, does anybody know what it looks like when the cows are laying on? That's right, sand. Sand is the best bedding for cows because it stays cool in the summer and it keeps you eating 180 hamburgers and drinking a bath of
I'm excited to dive into this new endeavor where we will be taking farm to table to a whole new level with milk from our cows, available for you here at the farm. Milk in glass bottles, butter, ice cream, and cheese curds will be our specialties. Watch for details as we plan on breaking ground for Peanut Milk House this October. That we show and forage so that we can feed, walk, wash, and feed them daily. Also on the right side of the wagon, you will notice 3 vertical silos called harvesters. These harvesters serve as holding tanks for feed for cows. The large silo, which is 75 feet tall, contains chopped grass. The other 2 remain pure.
Please look at both sides of the barn at our roots. To the left, you will see an apron stacked full of sweet smelling green alfalfa hay used to feed the cows. Hay is an excellent source of fiber, protein, and energy. Contrary to popular belief, you are actually not on a hay range. You are mixed in a giant mixer and are fed fresh to the cows 3 times a day, every single day. We also want every bite to be the same.
Please look off to the right in the pit and tell me what you see. Potatoes, pumpkins, apples, lemons, limes, onions, avocados, all kinds of fruits and vegetables. You're right. We use expired produce from local grocery stores as a source of natural nutrients from the plants, dairies, milk, and manure. Every year, we use that manure to feed our crops, and the cycle continues.